In this video, I will show you how to create an email campaign in System.io. So first, just go and open up your System.io account, and then from here you want to click on the emails dropdown. Now here click on campaigns, although you can also set up a newsletter if you'd like to do that, but the difference is basically a newsletter is just sent once a week, for example, and the campaign is sort of an automation. So if someone does this, then send this email, and maybe 3 days later send this email, etc. So from here you can click create in the top right, then give your campaign a name. Now this will just be for you, so others won't be able to see that. Now here for the email address, you want to select your sender email address. And you need to click right there to add and verify a new email. And then you can also add a description to it to make clear what this campaign is about exactly, and then click save. Now I'll just open up this one since I already have one. And now here you can first of all see all the stats for this campaign, but you just want to click on it right there. And then basically this is the first step that I have. Now if you want to add more steps, you just click create, then write the subject. Now this will be visible to the people. So for example, just click here, then here write your sender name, then your email address again. Then I have a visual editor and a classic editor. Now the classic editor is mainly just text, but you can also add in some images. The visual editor may be better if you are looking to create a pretty aesthetic email, but for me it's more of just bringing a message across, so I'll go with the classic one, and then you want to go and click save. Now I already have this step, so if you open it up, you will see the subject, and again the receiver will see this, and so will they see the preview. Now you need to try to keep it between 40 and 140 characters. Now even though this is not necessary, I do recommend doing this. So then here at the actual body of your email, now you can really easily just switch to the visual editor as well. Now you need to select a template, for example if I go with that one and then click confirm. Then I could actually start using that one as well, although right now I don't have a sender email address, so then it doesn't work. Now one important thing to know is that if you have any of this data right here, so for example the email address, you need to have that because otherwise you cannot send emails. But for example with the first name, you can just copy this right here and then say hi and then paste, and then the first name will get populated automatically. Now you can also just make this black. This is just in red to showcase it. So you can just change the color back if you want. And once you're done, just click on save and test, although you can also add attachments from here if you would like to. But just click on save once you're done, and I recommend also testing it to see if it works. And then you can also set up a specific email campaign with a specific sales funnel. For example, if I open up this one, I can go to the automation rules and then click add rule. For the trigger, I could choose when a funnel step form is subscribed, then the action is do this. So I could say subscribe to campaign and then choose the campaign here. And then they will go through that campaign automatically when they submit a form right here. And then click save rule, and then that will start happening. So now you know how you can create an email campaign on System.io. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.